we are having total 7 types of crystal systems. First one, cubic system. All angles are equal to 90 and all lengths are equal. In a perfect cube, just for understanding purpose, I am drawing the perfect cubic system. This length, and this length. X-axis distance, Y-axis distance, Z-axis distance are equal, and the angle between any two axes equal to 90. So in a perfect cube, this length A equal to B equal to C, and angles between x-axis, y-axis 90, between y-axis, z-axis is perpendicular to x and y, 90 degrees. So all angles are equal to 90 and all lengths are equal. Possible Bravais lattices 3. A small logic I will give. Whatever may be the type of crystal system, simple cubic is common. In case of cubic, along with simple cubic, BCC and FCC also possible. These were isolated by scientist Bravais, hence these are known as Bravais lattices. Examples: NaCl, zinc blend, formula ZnS. Chemical name is zinc sulfide, or the zinc blend, copper, diamond. Anyhow, example is not important. All these comes under cubic system. This is complete memory based cubic system. So here, starting like last time we gave one small logic. See, again here you should remember that in case of cubic system, all angles are equal to 90 and all lengths are also equal. Hence it is known as most symmetrical system. Why it is known as most symmetrical system? All angles are equal and all lengths also equal. Cubic. Next, orthorhombic. Starting letter orthorhombic. Now, axial angles. Here also axial angles are equal to 90. How we have to remember the statement from last time? We give a small logic. All angles are equal to 90. Orthorhombic. Lengths are unequal. A not equal to B not equal to C. Next, possible Bravais lattices 4. Among all the 7 types of systems, in one and only one system, orthorhombic, all 4 types of lattices are possible. We are having mainly 4 types of lattices: simple cubic, BCC, FCC, ECC, end to center. Therefore, all 4 are possible: simple cubic, BCC, FCC, and end to center. All 4 are possible. Orthorhombic. Examples: in group 16, we studied rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is a crystalline solid of orthorhombic geometry. That's why the name came as rhombic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur, potassium nitrate, KNO3, barium sulfate. All these comes under orthorhombic geometry. Barium sulfate. Next, tetragonal. Short form is T. Here also alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees. Complete memory base. Last time we do the logic. In case of lengths, first 2 are equal, last one is unequal. Here, 2 Bravais lattices. One is simple cube, one is end center. Simple cube, end center. Example, tetragonal example, white tin, SnO2, titanium dioxide, SnO2, TiO2, titanium dioxide, tin dioxide, this is white tin, SnO2, tin, this is titanium dioxide, calcium sulfate. All these comes under tetragonal. Next, hexagonal. Fourth system hexagonal, short form H. In hexagonal, first two angles are equal to 90 degrees. Third angle is 120 degrees. A small concept you should remember. Among the 7 types of systems, in one and only one type of system, one angle is 120. That is hexagonal. Just for understanding purpose, I am drawing the diagram. There is no need to draw the diagrams. Hexagonal system. Just for understanding purpose. Now, this angle is 90. This angle also 90. But this angle is 120. It is a hexagon. In that hexagon, angle is 120. Next, axial lengths. First two are equal. Third one is unequal. First two are equal. Third one unequal. Possible radius lattices 1. That is simple cube. For all the 7 systems, simple cube is common. Example, hexagon system. Graphite. We studied in first year. It is a layer-like structure, hexagonal structure. So hexagonal system example, graphite, zinc oxide, cadmium sulfide. Next, rhombohedral. Fifth one, rhombohedral. Other name trigonal. Starting letter should remember R. Other name trigonal. Rhombohedral or trigonal. In case of rhombohedral, all 3 angles are equal but not equal to 90 degrees. Permutations and combinations. All 3 are equal, not equal to 90. Lengths. All 3 are equal. Rhombohedral or trigonal. Here one, that one is simple cubic. Example, rhombohedral example, calcite. Calcite is nothing but calcium carbonate. KTGS, mercuric sulfide, nothing but cinnabar. Word name, cinnabar. Chemical name, mercuric sulfide. Next, sixth one, monoclinic system. Monoclinic, starting letter M. Monoclinic. Here, first angle and last angle equal to 90 degrees, and second angle, middle angle is deviated, not equal to 90. First to third equal to 90, second angle not equal to 90. Here, all lengths are unequal. Here, 2 radius lattices. For all that simple common, here in addition to simple cubic, end center. Monoclinic system. Example, monoclinic sulfur. Sulfur exists in 2 crystalline forms. We studied in group 16. Monoclinic sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur. Na2SO4.10H2. Sodium sulfate decahydrated. Next, triclinic system. Triclinic, starting letter T. Alpha not equal to beta, not equal to gamma, not equal to 90 degrees. Lengths also unequal. So in case of first system cubic, all angles are equal to 90, all lengths are equal. Here all angles are not equal, all lengths also not equal. Therefore it is most unsymmetrical. First one most symmetrical, last one most unsymmetrical. Here only one possible radius lattices, that is simple cube. Triclinic example, potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, CuSO4.5H2O, blue vitriol, or copper sulfate pentahydrate or boric acid, H3BO3, boric acid. So these are the 7 types of crystal systems and 40 radius lattices. At least in this tabular form, except except last column. Remaining 4 columns you must by heart. Very very important for objective exam. How they will ask the questions is, in objective exam they only will use these angles and length. What is the type of system? Hexagon. Otherwise they will give the name of the system and they will ask what are the axial angles and axial lengths. Frequently they are asking in objective exam. Anyhow for subjective exam it is not important, but for objective exam it is very very important. Here for remembering the name of the system and lengths and angles, a small mnemonic I will give. A small logic I will give. With the help of the logic, entire tabular form, except examples we should remember. Except examples we should remember. What is the logic means? Cup of tea. Cup of tea. In heavy rain. Cup of tea in heavy rain. Yet cup of tea in heavy rain at mountains. Mountains. Here 7 names will come. Starting at I am measuring here C O T cot H R heavy rain and empty mountains. Total 7 names. COT cot, C for cubic, O orthorhombic, T tetragonal, H hexagonal, R rhombohedral, M monoclinic, T trichilic. Now angles and lengths, how I remember this complete memory basic. Whatever may be the name is there in chord system, you should remember that in all the chord system, angle is equal to 90. So in all these 3 names, whatever may be the name is there in chord system, cubic, orthorhombic, tetragonal. Whenever chord system is there, all angles are equal to 90. Chord means angle equal to 90. Next, lengths. Cubic is most symmetrical system. Therefore, all lengths are equal. I remember like this. Orthorhombic, over opposite. I remember like this. Opposite to this first case. Therefore, A not equal to B not equal to C. First case cubic, A equal to B equal to C. Here, over opposite. Opposite means unequal. In tetragonal, first two are equal. This is different than you should remember. In tetragonal, first two are equal, last one unequal. So I remember like that. Chord. Chord means cubic, orthorhombic, tetragonal. Whenever chord is there, angle equal to 90. Alpha, beta, gamma equal to 90. Cubic most symmetrical, all are equal. O opposite, unequal. Tetragonal, A equal to B, not equal to C. Next, HR, hexagonal. H for hexagonal. In case of hexagonal, among all the systems, in one and only one system, 120 degrees angle is there, that is hexagonal. Last angle is 120. Alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degrees and gamma equal to 120. Lengths. Previously tetragonal what we wrote, that here we now write down. A equal to B not equal to C. Previous tetragonal and hexagonal lengths are equal. Next, rhombohedral. Rhombohedral. Other name trigonal. I remember like this, trigonal. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. Here, all 3 angles are equal, but not equal to 90 degrees. And all tri means 3. All 3 angles are equal. So rhombohedral under name trigonal. Tri means 3. All 3 lengths are equal. All 3 angles are also equal, but not equal to 90. If you are equating to 90, it becomes cubic system. Already we wrote. Cubic system already we wrote. Therefore, I remember like this. Tri means 3. All 3 angles are equal, but not equal to 90. Tri means 3. All 3 lengths are equal. So HR over. Next, mountains. Empty. Monoclinic and triclinic systems. Monoclinic, M. Triclinic systems. These are somewhat unsymmetrical systems. These are unsymmetrical systems. Unsymmetrical system means angles and lengths are not equal. Monoclinic and triclinic systems are unsymmetrical. symmetrical system. Most symmetrical system. Coming to various lattices. What is the one? Cup of tea in heavy rain at mountains. So lengths and angles like that we should remember. Cup of tea in heavy rain at mountains. Whatever may be the name is there in cup of tea, angle equal to 90 degrees. The last we are applying. Number of various lattices. Number of various lattices. Cubic 3. Start from 3. 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So total number of various lattices 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2, 9, 10, 11, 13 plus 1, 14 types of various lattices. Whatever may be the system is there, simple is common. Here simple cubic is common. For all these, simple cubic is common. For cubic, in addition to simple cubic, BCC and FCC. For orthorhombic, all four are possible. Simple cubic, BCC, FCC, and center. We are having four types of lattices mainly. Simple cubic lattice, BCC lattice, FCC lattice, and center lattice all are possible for orthorhombic. Next, tetragonal, simple cubic and BCC. Tetragonal is, I remember like this, TB. For tetragonal, extra BCC. Tetragonal, extra BCC. Next, hexagonal one, that one is simple cubic. Rhombohedral one, that one is simple cubic. Monoclinic 2, one must be simple cubic. Another is end center. End center, ME. ME. Monoclinic. Extra one is end center. Here only one is there, simple cubic. So like this 14 various lattices. First of all, you should remember that for all the types of systems, simple is common. For orthorhombic, all four are possible. Only extra for tetragonal and monoclinic. I remember like this. ME, TB, METB, ME, monoclinic, end center, tetragonal, body center, tetragonal, body center. Otherwise, mechanical engineering students are talented boys. Mechanical engineering students are talented boys. METB. So this is about types of crystal systems and various lattices. Note, based on the types of crystal systems, note, most symmetrical system is, most symmetrical crystal system is, among all the crystal systems, most symmetrical crystal system is what? Cubic system. Most symmetrical crystal system is cubic. Next, most unsymmetrical crystal system is, first one most symmetrical, cubic is most symmetrical, triclinic is most unsymmetrical. Next, maximum number of various lattices. Maximum number of various lattices possessed by dash crystal system. What system? Orthorhombic. So maximum number of various lattices possessed by orthorhombic. So in object exam, how they will ask the questions? Just for understanding purpose, one question I will frame. For a system, for a crystal system, they only will be for a crystal system. A equal to B, not equal to C, and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees, then the system is dash there. Now, first of all, how we have to identify this? With the help of tabular form only we have to identify. A small logic identifier. See, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90. Whenever all angles are equal to 90 means the system must be chord system. I remember like this. Whenever all angles are equal to 90 means the system what system? Chord system. Cubic, orthorhombic, tetrahedral. In cubic, all lengths are equal. In orthorhombic, all are opposite. In orthorhombic, all are opposite. In tetrahedral, first two are equal, third one unequal. Therefore, that system is tetrahedral. Like that we have to identify. Next, for understanding purpose, one more question. For a system A equal to 1 angstrom, B equal to 2 angstroms length, C equal to 3 angstroms, and alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degrees, then the system is dash. Now, see here again all three angles are equal to 90. Whenever all angles are equal to 90, the system is chord system. Hence, our answer should be a chord system. Cubic, orthorhombic, tetrahedral. Cubic means all are equal. Orthorhombic means all are unequal. A not equal to B not equal to C. So, therefore, according to given data, here A not equal to B not equal to C. All are unequal. Therefore, orthorhombic. Next, for a system, alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degrees and gamma equal to 120 degrees. Gamma equal to 120 degrees. Gamma equal to 120 degrees. Gamma. A equal to B not equal to C. Then the system is dash. Blindly should remember that whenever 120 degrees angle is given, in the given data 120 degrees angle is there, this is hexagonal. Alpha, beta 90, gamma 120, and A equal to B not equal to C. Hexagonal. That system is hexagonal system. So this is about types of crystal systems. Next concept is close packing of solids. Close packing of solids. Next concept is close packing of solids. So complete theory, close packing of solids are close packed structures. Close packed structures. Close packing of solids are close packed structures. So we know that in any solid, all the atoms are closely packed. All the atoms are closely packed by leaving minimum empty space. In any solid, all the constituent molecules are closely packed by leaving the minimum empty space. So in any solid, all the constituent molecules are in solids. All the constituent molecules, these may be the atoms or molecules or ions, all the constituent molecules are closely packed. That's why we have to study about close packing of solids. These constituent particles, for explanation purpose, I am assuming as hard spheres. Constituent particles, for understanding purpose, we are assuming Now, first, close packing in one dimension. Close packing in one dimension. 1D. Close packing in one dimension. Now, close packing in one dimension means only in one dimension, either along x direction or y direction or z direction. All the constant particles are closely packed. Now it is a one dimension. Along this dimension, all the constant particles are closely packed. So constant particle, just for understanding purpose, I am assuming as a hard spheres. So this type of packing is known as close packing in one dimension. If you are considering the close packing in one dimension, just for understanding purpose, this constant particle I am highlighting, this is the hard sphere. Now, in one dimension close packing, each sphere is touched by nearest how many spheres? Two spheres. So each sphere is touched by two other spheres. Hence, in one dimension close packing, coordination number is 2. So, for a crystal's coordination number definition is coordination. In solid state coordination number definition is coordination number, short form Cn. So in solid state coordination number is nothing but number of nearest to neighbors. Number of nearest to neighbors. So coordination number for solid state definition is number of nearest neighbors in closed packing. Number of nearest neighbors. Now for this, how many nearest neighbors are there? 2. Otherwise, how many spheres are touching? So here 2 spheres are touching. Therefore, coordination number is 2. So this is closed packing in one dimension. Next, close packing in 2 dimensions. Second one, close packing in 2 dimensions. Close packing in 2 dimensions. So close packing in 2 dimensions we have to study under the 2 headings. Close packing in 2 dimensions. Another classified into 2 types. One is square close packing. Square close packing. Second one, hexagonal close packing. Second one, hexagonal close packing. Short form also you should remember, HCP. Hexagonal close packing, short form HCP. So in 2-dimensional close packing, is constant particles are arranged not only in x direction, y direction also. In 2 dimensions, the constant particles are closely packed. Square close packing in 2 dimensions along